Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace, and I'm so excited to have you here today as we dive into the topic of spring cleaning your life. Now, I know what you're thinking. Spring cleaning is usually associated with decluttering our physical spaces, but today, we're going to talk about something equally important: cleansing your diet and transitioning to a healthier lifestyle. You see, our diet plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. It affects our energy levels, our mood, and even our ability to focus. So, if you've been feeling sluggish or uninspired lately, it might be time to take a closer look at what you're putting into your body. Transitioning to a healthier lifestyle doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods or go on some extreme diet. It's about making small, sustainable changes that will have a big impact on your health and happiness. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals, swapping out processed snacks for whole foods, and drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated. Now, I know it can be challenging to break old habits and resist the temptation of unhealthy foods. But trust me, the benefits are worth it. Not only will you have more energy and feel better physically, but you'll also notice a positive shift in your mental and emotional well-being. When we nourish our bodies with wholesome, nutritious foods, we're giving ourselves the fuel we need to thrive. So, I encourage you to take this opportunity to spring clean your diet and make healthier choices. And remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Every small step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you already started cleansing your diet? What changes have you made, and how have they impacted your life? Share your experiences in the comments below, because together, we can inspire and motivate each other on this journey towards a healthier, happier life. And before we wrap up, if you're enjoying this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more inspiring content like this. I'm here to support you on your journey, so let's connect and grow together. Remember, spring cleaning your life isn't just about decluttering your physical space. It's about nourishing your body, mind, and soul. So let's embrace this season of renewal and make positive changes that will resonate with us for years to come. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and remember to always prioritize your well-being.